guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and do you know where I am today? I am going to the airport, and I'm doing that for some plane spotting, and I have this really exciting announcement. Dad, I'm gonna tell him.
Tell him.
So, guess what? In May, do you remember when, do you remember last year I went to, a farm on Tamworth? If you do, I have some exciting news. I am going to go back up there again, except this time I'm going to film the plane ride.
Flying, aren't you?
I'm going to be flying there alone, actually.
Yeah.
Because I'm not going with my mum and dad.
All by yourself.
Yeah. We're near the airport now.
That's what that sign up there says.
We're not going up there right now, but we're doing some plane spotting, so we can spot some planes just coming around. Let me see if we can see some planes on this bridge here, because I know it does go under this bridge. Can we see any planes? Can I see a plane taking off? No. Oh, I saw a plane. Here's a plane. I can see one. I can see one. I can see one. Oh, it's up further? Where? I cannot see it. Oh, yeah, there it is. There we go. See it? It looks really close on the camera. I can hear it. I can hear it. Oh, I forgot to check. Yeah. Yep. How many planes? Oh my goodness, I can see the planes. Yeah, they're actually usually called winglets. There's a helicopter. Yeah. A Rebonson R44.
Are you filming again?
It's a Rebonson R44.
Yeah, Robinson.
Yeah, Rebonson, yeah. Why are you laughing?
No reason.
Yeah, I guess so. Can I see the really nice one? Oh, it's coming close. I think I should film this. Just seeing how the camera brings in propeller illusions with the rolling shutter thing. Or I think mine's global shutter.
Here's the most important building at the airport.
The air traffic control tower.
Yes.
Lots of planes. And I really want to present some planes to you that I've never done a plane video before. Oh, this is the site that we use to book our planes, because I remember when I went on a plane in 2019, I can see a tail, I can see a plane tail. I can only just see it. It's Malaysia Airlines. I know someone who loves that at my school. This actually goes under the runway, and those little vents there are in between the runways. Sometimes you can hear planes over them. What if you could see a wing through those vents? This just shows how wide a runway actually is. Because I remember going on one in 2019. I've been on a lot of planes actually. Is that an A380 by Asiana Airlines? Oh no, that's an A350. Jetstar. Yep, there's a Jetstar I can see. I think it's a Dreamliner, 787 Dreamliner. And am I correct? Yeah, it's a Dreamliner. 2 minutes of filming. Oh look, I can see Malaysia Airlines. Where is it? You see it? Malaysia Airlines. I think I can see a little like propeller one. I cannot see it anymore. I could just see it. some really good news. I'm gonna see some really close-up planes just through the window. I'm gonna see Asiana Airlines, Jetstar, all of those. I can already see one. I think it's a Cathay Pacific, but I'm not that close. No, that's the Asiana Airlines one. Oh look, you can see 787 right there. Oh my goodness, I can see an A380. I can see A380. Yep, Asiana. No planes above us. Well, Asiana Airlines is a Korean airline, I think. Yeah, it
It's
is.
started by the APU, is it?
Yeah, that's the one that's moving.
And then the other one fires up later.
Yeah. And here another one.
There's one there and one there.
Yeah. This is an Air Callan. It's Airbus A350. I can hear another propeller plane. Rex. Trust me, these are really big. You could like fit like 50 of me under the wing. Maybe like, oh, I think like not even half that actually. I don't know how many. 380s. I can hear a propeller plane, but I don't know where it is. I can hear like the buzzing noise. Oh my goodness, I don't have much charge already, and it's just started. Oh, there's the propeller plane. I can see it. Oh, opening. That's interesting. I've never seen one of those. It's like a Beechcraft. Ah, I see it. Oh, it's a flying doctor. Both of the propellers are spinning. It's the Royal Flying Doctor Service.
See that other one? That big, I don't know what it's called.
Air Callan.
Air Callan.
Those are like really expensive. They cost a lot to fly on them.
That's big. Yeah, I think it's a big deal on those ones. It's going to, I think it's going to New Caledonia.
No, Air Callan are really expensive. They're really expensive. On like the airline itself is more expensive than usual.
Still filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Stop.
No, I won't. I can hear something coming really fast. It's probably taking off. It's a propeller, I think.
There's a China submarine.
I can hear the rumbling. I can hear that. I can sense the rumbling. Oh, it's one landing. Oh, it's Air Asia A330. I can hear another one coming. I could sense the rumbling of the plane.
They're probably come back this way.
Oh yes, I never thought of that.
I think this is going over to the other way.
I remember in 2019 when we went on that plane, it took off behind us. I remember it. I remember seeing it. I remember it took off
Or is it going
behind
to go over
us.
to the internet?
What?
Is it going to go over to the internet?
Yeah, I don't know. When you're filming a propeller, it has the illusion on the camera, but in real life, it doesn't. It just has a blur. It's like, in real life, it's a blur. But yeah, it's really interesting. And sometimes I could see some are spinning faster, one's spinning faster than the other to turn. That's interesting. But they look like they're spinning at the exactly same speed. I'm going to start up my own airline when I grow up, and it's going to be called New South Wales Airlink.
What aeroplanes you going to have?
Embraer 120,
Is that these ones?
Saab 340, Q300, and Q200. This is a 737. Virgin, Australia. There's a rumble. What was that noise? When the plane comes past, that's what it looks like there. I could actually feel a rumbling. I could feel a rumbling on the ground.
Can you? The big ones
When I feel a rumbling, I know a plane's coming. Yeah. Oh, I can hear another propeller for some reason, but I don't know where it is. I can hear it, but it's not. I don't see it. I hear it, but I don't see it. I have no idea where it is. Oh, I hear a plane. Oh, it's one that just landed. Oh! That's the one I just saw before I started filming. Did I really take off that steep? Did I really? No, I see this. Oh, it doesn't zoom in any closer, so I have. Qantas. When's the last time I've been on that? I don't fly on Qantas that much. But I have flied on. Oh look! Oh look! There's another one coming with like the new logo, so we can compare the new logo. So this is the old logo, and this is the new logo. But that's the old logo, and this is the new one. Oh, the one that just took off is turning around. Look, you can see. Look, it's going the other way now. The rumbling. There's a rumbling. A rumbling. I think that's one coming. I think I usually feel rumbling when one's landing. Oh, one's taking off. It's an A330. I can hear birds. I can hear birds. Oh, there's birds all over the place. They're poor. I remember seeing birds, and they get scared away by the planes, the jets, because I saw them like flying away from a 717 jet. Oh, it's turning over just like the last one. So I get to see it from like a high distance. I can see Cathay Pacific, Atlas Air, whatever that is. Oh, I could see like a luxury Etihad. It's probably flying over my house now. That plane's probably flying over my house now. A United, a United A350, or I don't know what it is. That's definitely flying over my house now. And just in case you were wondering, no, I do not live near the airport. It's just because the planes are really fast. I live like right in the middle. This is on the edge of the city, but I live right in the middle. Let me check my charge. My charge is running out really quick. I think I'll be able to get the whole video done. Oh, see, there's the propeller one taking off. It's tiny. Yeah. There we go. Just take it off. I could see, I could keep seeing this. How do I hear the plane again? I hear the same plane again, probably the echoes. I could see two A380s. That one's been there for almost 5 years, parked there, not moved at all. That plane just there. It's just parked there for 5 years and not moved 1 millimeter. I don't know, but I keep hearing planes but not seeing them. They're not ghost planes, so you don't have to worry. Okay, do any of you really think ghosts are real? No, they're not real. That start up. I think there's like a plane just right behind us because I didn't show you. There's 2 Jetstar Dreamliners. I wish you could get closer to the planes. That's where I want to go to. Yep, that's another one just landed. Jetstar. I've been on that before. I go on planes quite a lot, so yeah. I'm gonna be going on one like probably this May. I just haven't been on one in a while because of COVID. Oh, Virgin. What? 737. I want to see a Q400. They're like the best planes ever. I just want to see one. I can see cars, actually. we're getting a break from the rain. It's been raining for weeks. Like since I finished my since I finished my I didn't upload for days after I finished. So when I was really young, see those like markers there? I used to think those were like building blocks. I don't know why they were there, but I used to think those were like little building blocks on the ground. Yep, there's a United Airways there, just taxiing. I can hear a rumbling. I feel the rumbling. Oh, it looks like a big one. Oh, wait. These are the really, really rare ones. These ones are really rare. Oh my goodness, Rex 737. Rex 737s. I used to think they only had propeller ones, but turns out they have jets as well. Oh. I remember when they used to only have like propeller ones, now they have jets as well. What if, I've heard like memes about like this UK airline called Ryanair, and they have like hard landings, and if they had an A380, it would probably bounce into space. Dragonflies, I see one. And I call them the natural helicopter because they look like helicopters, little ones, except I don't see them turbines. I keep feeling, I feel a rumbling. I think one's coming. Oh, it's probably just that United one over there. Wait, it's coming towards us. This is one of the biggest planes this is the biggest plane with 2 jets. And it's coming towards us. Oh, I can. Oh, I can feel a rumbling. I think it's one landing. It's a Virgin. My battery is going down. What's that snapping noise? There's like this repeatedly snapping noise I can hear. It's a snapping noise and it's repeating. Oh my goodness, that Virgin one, just there, is coming towards us. Oh, that United one. I can hear a scraping noise. Squeaky, scrapey noise. Okay, that Virgin one's definitely. Oh, look. It's a Q300 with only one propeller turned on. These are the ones you can never miss. I hear the snapping again. Like the things do. Q300. They're like great ones. Yeah. There. Wait, I think that's a Q200. I think that's a Q200. Q200 and Q300s look like almost identical. I remember, guys, I've not been in a propeller plane since like, I've not been in a turboprop since like 2013. I've only been on jets and propellers. I've been on jets and propeller planes both, and I think I like the propeller ones better. I don't know why. Let's hope it turns around and passes the other way, because then I get to see it up really close. I think it's going to the domestic terminal. But I know one day I'm going to get another plane spotting video. Oh, someone's playing plane videos on their phone. 21 minutes. I can hear another propeller. I could see it in the big distance coming towards us. I really want to see one with both. Oh, Dreamliner! Qantas! Dreamliners are so quiet. That's why I love them. And they have like those dim windows. I think I could. Oh, that's not. I wish I could have a backup device, but I didn't bring my charger either. I could have charged it in the car, but I'm running out of charge real quick. How long does this take? There's not many. I remember 3 times. I remember going on my first plane, and I was so young. I was like 1 year old, and I don't remember. I can hear. There's. Oh my goodness! There's like the best plane ever coming towards us. A propeller. That's best. I can hear one. I can hear one. It's coming towards. Is that the really rare airline? Fly. Is it like the Link one, which used to be called Fly Corporate? Oh my goodness, it's the really rare one. I think that propeller one is going to turn around and, oh my goodness, the power's running out. I'm going to go on low power mode. Low power. There we go. I hope that plane just turns around and comes the other way to take off. It's the Queen of I think the Queen of Australia is coming. The Queen of Australia coming in. The Qantas plane. The Spirit of Australia with the original logo. I used to think these were called flying kangaroos because they have the kangaroo on the back. I hear the jet behind me. It sounds like a plane. And here's, oh my goodness, both the old logo, original logo. Because these planes, this logo has been around for over 50 years. And Qantas has been flying since it had no logo. I'm serious, Qantas had no logo at one point. I need to see that, the Rex one. I need to see that propeller one, the Link one, taking off. I just need to see it. That is what I want to see. Oh my goodness, 9%. How's it going down? See the tail. I need to see. I need a. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave soon, like stop filming, but look at the planes. But that's when my battery runs out. I can hear the rumbling. I hope that's the Link one take off. I really want that to be the. I really want to see the Link one take off. That just went past. I can hear. Oh, there it is. There it is. See? That's the one we just saw. And I think we can end it here. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye, everybody.